All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on your location in the world. Okay, so quickly on this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt to to get fresh remote jobs online. Yeah, and how you can also prompt Chatgpt to always send you fresh remote jobs every day, directly to your email. Yeah, so most times you see some remote jobs online and you send your application to the companies, and the companies most times they ignored you, or most times they didn't accept your application, or they didn't call you for an interview because you actually applied late, because some persons have applied and they've seen some profile or some qualifications they want, so they've given out the jobs and they just choose to ignore you, or not to call you for an interview after going through your profile. All right, so on our today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prompt ChatGPT to always send fresh jobs, remote jobs to you. Yeah, like jobs that were just recently listed, either 2 hours ago, an hour ago, 30 minutes ago, 24 hours ago, it and 2 days ago. Just recent jobs. Yeah, so this is what we are going to do. You are going to log in into your chat GDP, not the app. Listen to me, we are not going to use the app, rather you are going to log in via the website. Like you can see, this is my Chrome browser. You can see this is my Chrome browser. So this is my account on the Chrome browser, not the app. All right, so if that is done, head over to these two lines you're seeing here. So this menu, so click on this menu. All right, so you're going to see all this display. So now move down to where I'm moving, where your name is. Just tap on the name. Already it is out. So after clicking on the name, you're going to see this display. So click on this setting. Click on the setting. All right, so you are going to see all this. You're going to see all this. So click on notifications where my touch is moving here. Okay, on notification you're going to see task menu. So come to this task menu where I'm moving, then turn on this push and emails. We're going to turn them on. So it's already on, so turn this on and then head over to ChatGPT. All right, let's go back to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to paste the prompts we are going to use to get these recent remote jobs directly into your email on the comment section. So if you have returned to this ChatGPT environment, you are going to copy that prompt and paste it. And paste it here and then run it. But before then, you are going to make some addition in that prompt, because the prompt is being generated based on my own needs. So you are going to edit it based on what you can do or what you are doing, or based on what you want. Okay, so now if you run the prompt on ChatGPT, it's going to give you or show you the recent remote jobs that are available that people hasn't known yet. And so if you apply to those remote jobs, you have let's say 70%, 80%, 90% probability that you are going to be accepted, you are going to be offered those jobs. All right, so let's get the prompt and give it a try. Okay, all right, so this is my Germany. Okay, so I've already generated the prompt already, so let me just head over to where it is and get it copied. All right, so we are going to let's let me copy this. Let me copy all this, and then all right, just follow carefully. Okay, so now let's return back to ChatGPT. All right, so let's paste it. Mm-mm. There's an error somewhere, so select all, then paste. All right, so let's run it. Let's see. Okay, all right, Harrison. Once that is done, ChatGPT will give you remote jobs based on it. You just yeah. Okay, just let's see. Harrison, hello. Here are the most recent verified entry level jobs opportunities focused on remote and Nigerian based. Okay, we have job title data analyst. You see this, the company involved, the location, and then the date posted a day, 1 day ago. Here, not specific. Yeah, you can see all this. So they will give you the job, when it was posted, and the company that is involved. If the salary has been mentioned, they will let you know, and then they'll also give you the link for you to uh, the link to the application of that particular job. All right, so these are all the recent jobs that are online, which most people don't know about. So when you follow this tutorial, you are going to be having access to recent remote jobs that you can quickly applied, and then you stand a chance to be accepted. I've seen this one just 2 days ago. This one is just 21 hours ago. Yeah, this one just 21 hours ago, not even a day. Okay, let's see other ones. Mm, okay, this one is just a day ago, and then here we have a day ago, and here we have 4 to 5 days ago, and their salary is $20 to $100. Ah, this is huge. Yep, that is nice. 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 So not just this, every okay, since I have activated this, ChatGPT will always send me an email every 7 o'clock a.m. of the new recent jobs or remote jobs that are available online based on my area of interest. All right. Please, if this tutorial helped you, do it to like, to comment, and to also subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you.